New witness took the stand today in the trial of Jacob Vanbergen, the Pennsylvania man accused of murdering his friend and employer, Brandon Shepker. Lexi Bruning was there as the prosecution showed a timeline of events.
Day 2 of testimony brought video evidence and the expertise of the pathologist who performed Brandon Shepker's autopsy. This video, presumably the last of Brandon Shepker seen alive, was one of several shown to the jurors on Thursday. It's part of the trial of Jacob Vanbergen. He stands accused of strangling his friend, 39-year-old Shepker, with a sweatshirt at Ridgeview Lodge near Lowville in January 2024. This video shows Shepker and Vanbergen entering their room at the motel at around 9:52 p.m. on January 6th. 1 hour later, Vanbergen is seen leaving alone, headed to Baker's Bar. Vanbergen returns to the room just before midnight, and 10 minutes later, first responders arrive, and Vanbergen leaves the room crying. A timeline that matches what Vanbergen told police, according to lead investigator Edward Emilio. When he returned to Pennsylvania hours after the alleged murder, cameras at Shepker's Pennsylvania home show Vanbergen pulling into the driveway before he moves the camera to face the ground. Investigator Emilio also revealed Vanbergen had called Shepker's lawyer to inquire about a will, which the lawyer was unable to find. Defense attorney Gary Miles argued those staying at nearby rooms the night of the alleged murder did not see or hear anything coming from Shepker or Vanbergen's room, and Vanbergen was never seen taking anything from Shepker's home. Forensic pathologist Dr. Robert Stoppaker also took the stand. He performed Shepker's autopsy and ruled the cause of death as strangulation. The jury was shown photos of different injuries to Shepker, including popped blood vessels, blunt force injuries, marks along his neck, and fractured thyroid cartilage. The prosecution is expected to bring more witnesses to the stand on Friday. Lexi Bruning, 7 News.